Hello everyone, and welcome to the Verb Tense Test Part 1. This video contains a multiple choice test that will challenge your knowledge of American English grammar. All you have to do is choose the answer from the choices provided, and you may have to pause the video for each question just to give yourself a little bit of time to think about the answer. Now, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Number 1. And the answer is Martha failed the test because she hadn't studied. This one is hadn't studied. This is the past perfect tense. We have two actions that happened in the past. The part where she hadn't studied happened first, and that's the past perfect. I just did a video on that. Check it out. Okay, number 2. And the answer is John won the spelling bee last year. This is the simple past. You see last year, right? That's how we know it's an action that was completed in the past. So we just use the simple past. All right, number 3. And the answer is Lara missed the school bus an hour ago. She missed the bus an hour ago. Again, simple past. And why is it the simple past? Because it's a completed action that happened in the past an hour ago. All right, number 4. And the answer is Jeremy has not read that book yet. This is the present perfect tense. He has not read the book yet, right? So he started in the past and is continuing until now. And that is the present perfect tense. All right, number 5. And the answer is her family did not watch TV last night. Okay, we have last night. That's a completed action in the past. So it has to be the simple past tense. Okay? All right, number 6. And the answer is Steve has been playing football since he was 9 years old. All right, this is the present perfect progressive tense. And in this case, it actually means that he started playing when he was 9 years old, and he's still playing now. That's what it means. He has been playing. Okay? All right. Number 7. And the answer is Mario has worked on his essay for 5 hours. Now, this means that he started working on his essay in the past, and he's still working on it now. It's the present perfect tense. Okay, it's the only one that works there out of your choices. All right, number 8. And the answer is Ginny and Mitch walked for about 4 hours yesterday. All right, this is the simple past. And what's our key word here? Yesterday. All right, don't get confused. All right, number 9. And the answer is Owen and Phil have known Connie for nearly 10 years. Okay, they met her sometime in the past, and they still know her now. So what do we use? Present perfect tense. Okay? Now, number 10. And the answer is Bev and Mike got married in 2012. This is a simple past. It's a specific date of when they were married. They got married on that date. Okay, number 11. And the answer is Nancy felt bad after she had breakfast this morning. We used the simple past tense here because it's an action that was completed in the past. And feel is an irregular verb, so we use felt. Okay, number 12. And the answer is Otto, Robert, and Peter always play baseball on Tuesdays. We're talking about a habit, something that they always do, and we use the simple present tense for this. Okay? All right, number 13. And the answer is every day James and Luke work on their antique car for a few hours. Again, we're talking about a habit, something that they do every day. And that's why we use the simple present tense. Okay, number 14. And the answer is Lou usually eats lunch at the diner near his home. Again, we have a simple present. We're talking about what Lou usually does. Okay, and that's why we use it. All right, number 15. And the answer is most of the time, Ollie watches a movie right before he goes to bed. Another habit, okay, most of the time. All right, so that's why we use the simple present tense. Okay, all right, number 16. And the answer is after we saw the movie, Tom promised that he would help me with my homework. We have the simple past here, okay, after the movie. What did Tom do? He promised. All right. Number 17. And the answer is Alfred heard a dog barking all night long. Now, this happened in the past, right? So he heard a dog barking. Simple past. Okay, number 18. And the answer is Sophia got on her bike and rode quickly to school. This is the simple past tense. Okay, she got on her bike and rode quickly. All right, number 19. And the answer is Paul paints a lot all through the winter months. Now we're making a statement about what Paul does during the winter months, and this is actually the simple present tense. Okay? And now the final, number 20. And the answer is because of her toothache, Amy didn't sleep at all last night. And this is the simple past tense because it happened last night. Okay, that's all for this video. Please let me know how you did on the test in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video and for subscribing. And remember what I always say, Keep practicing. See you next time.